Hello everyone. Today let's learn how to write the letter E. Let's write capital E. First, draw a straight line down. Go to the top and draw a sleeping line to the slide. Go to the middle and draw another sleeping line. Go to the bottom and draw the last sleeping line. Now let's see lowercase e. Start in the middle with a short sleeping line, then go up and around like a curve. Do you know the sound of E? Letter E makes the sound A. Letter E sound A. A is for elephant. Letter E sound A. A is for egg. Letter E sound A. A is for envelope. Letter E sound A. A is for engine. Now you can write the letter E. Goodbye.